Hi everyone, this is Rishikesh Ekbote, the founder. At Ungrade, we don't judge students according to their grades, we judge them according to their talents and skills and suggest a best career path specially curated for them. We help students find their passion and be happy with the rest of their lives. We help parents save time and money and reduce the burden of their child's future. So let us learn something valuable today.
Did you know that Ronald Wayne, along with Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs, was the third co-founder of Apple? He sold his 10% stake in the company for $800 in 1976. His 10% would be worth $35 billion now. What is meant by selling and buying stocks? Buying stocks refers to the gaining of assets, or a position in the company. Selling means reducing the holding in the company. Buyers are often known as bulls, and sellers as bears. This exchange takes place when a stock is at its highest value, and bought at its lowest. Why timing the stocks is important. Buying low and selling high is investment advice that's been passed along for generations. It is often advised to be practical, and to mostly invest long-term. However, several investors buy stocks at their highest, thinking it will result in great profits, and immediately want to sell when the market fails. They use only price and price movement as their signal. When to buy stocks? Make a plan, know what you are investing for, and its purpose. Set the timeline for achieving that. Look for stocks according to your preferences, and buy. Have a long period in mind. You should know great returns take time. Pulling them back in a short time might make you lose future profits. Understand volatility, keep the knowledge of market fluctuation. Know what kind of stocks are more likely to fluctuate frequently. Match them with your risk tolerance, but also look out for rewards. Diversify them, do not invest in a single market. Having several of them might help you to compensate for severe consequences. You will also be open to different opportunities. Expect the worst results and decisions. It's not easy to always be correct at investments. Market fluctuation depends on several factors. Thus always be ready to pull out anytime, but not all at once. When to sell stocks. Changed goals. Your purpose for buying certain stocks might not be applicable now, if your goals or purposes have changed. Analyze those, and react accordingly. Monetary needs. It is primarily advised to not invest with money you might need, or have saved for something else. Other than that, it is best to sell whenever you have the need. Better investment opportunities. It is natural to come across better plans, or even profitable markets. It is advised to pull out from the lower gains once, to a better one. How to do it. Understand investments. It is best advised to invest in markets you are well aware of. Do not try to hassle and follow other folks while investing. Liking the company. Try not to get overwhelmed by a company's success. Be aware that even though its market is doing well now, it might crash too. Always have an alternative. Lack of patience. You will not get high returns in just a day. Learn to wait for the right time of growth. Let your money grow. Waiting to get even. One should not wait to sell a crashed stock until it gets to its original price. You might be putting too much at stake. Being emotional. Do not forget your knowledge is more powerful than gut feeling. Your gut or emotions might not always indicate great consequences. Always analyze markets practically. Fields where stock knowledge is needed: investment consultant, individual investor, chartered financial analyst, market research analyst, equity analyst. I will tell you how to become rich. Close the doors. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. Warren Buffett. Do you want to know how the market can influence our monetary success, and how we influence the market's capabilities?
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.